Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a tasty sugar-free marshmallow. Just a few ingredients, it's very easy. So the first thing we should do is to prepare baking sheets. Baking sheets covered with silicone mats or baking paper. Sprinkle it with the starch and spread the starch with a brush. Also prepare a pastry bag. I'll use a nozzle to make curly marshmallows. So let's start cooking. There are 10 grams of gelatin. I dunked it in 50 grams of water in advance. I have already melted the gelatin. Pour it into a bowl for whipping. There are 200 grams of maple syrup in the saucepan. Warm it to a boil, but don't boil. Begin to whip the gelatin, and in the process of whipping, gradually pour the syrup. Whip at high speed until the bulk cools completely. It took me about 10 minutes. Maple syrup is a natural product and it can have different colors. My syrup is quite dark, so marshmallows will not be white. If your syrup is more transparent, the marshmallows will become white. Now the bowl is already cooled. Let's stop whipping and check the consistency. Look, marshmallows retain their shape. It indicates readiness. Shift fluffy mixture into pastry bags. I have one bag with a nozzle and another one without it. Now I will make marshmallows of various shapes and sizes, so you can choose the most suitable option for you. You can decorate cakes with such curly marshmallows. It's so beautiful. And the bag without a nozzle squeezes out such cylinders. So everything is ready. Let the marshmallows jellify for about 2 hours. Sprinkle marshmallows with cornstarch, so it will not cling to hands and to each other. Use a brush to spread the starch over the whole surface of the marshmallows. Shake in a sieve to remove the excess starch. Cut the cylinders with a knife coated with starch. Every slice is also sprinkled with the brush and starch. Shake in a sieve and marshmallows are ready. Such an airy and fluffy dessert, it magically melts in a cup of coffee. Remember, this recipe with all measurements is linked in the description box below. Subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much for watching and give me a thumbs up. Bye!